BenQ is a pretty small projector designed to make your space cozy. It projects 30 to 120 inches and works best in dim rooms, and it supports HDR. You can tilt and rotate for flexible setup. Plus, it runs Google TV, has built-in speakers, its own battery, and costs $800. Bees are dying fast, 20% each year, and could vanish in just over a decade. Beemond offers hives made from clear plexiglass, so you can watch bees at work and even harvest honey. Easy to set up and maintain, the hives protect bees, teach about their vital role, and bring a bit of nature into city life. It's the year 1998, and Peter Locker was living in a tiny Paris studio, but he was frustrated by the lack of stylish kitchens. So he designed his own, launching Kitchu. It fit into as little as 1.54 square meters, fully equipped with all appliances. Next one, Termit Profi. It makes wastewater treatment simple for homes and cottages. Made from corrosion-resistant polyethylene, these systems work using natural bacteria to break down waste into safe byproducts. Water is purified up to 75%, with soil or drainage fields handling the rest. While we sleep, Magnaflex customers are already experiencing the future with their Magni Smart Tech beds. This smart system combines a high-tech mattress, adjustable base, and an app that tracks sleep and room conditions in real time. Features like anti-snore adjustments, chromotherapy, zero-gravity positioning, and gentle wake-ups adapt to each person. OTO is a smart lawn care that helps maintaining your yard. It waters up to 2,800 square feet with a 360-degree sprinkler, and the best part? It can be managed through a mobile app. At just 6 inches wide, this lift keeps stairs usable, supports up to 330 pounds, and offers simple controls, adjustable speeds, and safety features like obstruction sensors and a backup battery. Check out Tremor subwoofers. They fit into walls and makes powerful sound like in professional cinemas. The Tremor 10, their most popular model, have a 10-inch woofer that sounds like a 12-inch sub, hitting up to 110 decibels. Its frameless grille blends into any room. The team at Catrick Technologies designed a unique wind generator with oscillating aerofoils in a honeycomb layout, turning even light winds into electricity. These turbines fit on rooftops or roadsides. They reduce environmental impact and outperform traditional turbines. Windows might seem simple, but Hurt Kinetics from Swiss turns them into something extraordinary. Their window facades quietly disappear into the ground at the push of a button, moving massive glass or stone panels within minutes.